This is Chaitrali Chitre from Sayadri Friends Group, and today we are here to celebrate International Women's Day. It is a pre-celebration, I must say, because International Women's Day, like we all know, is on 8th March every year. But we have just taken an advantage as we've got this weekend just before the International Women's Day, and it is convenient for every one of us. Taking this opportunity, I would also say we do not need a special day to celebrate our womanhood and the lovely work we all do. But yes, this day is mark to celebrate the victory of women and when they got their rights in the Russian Revolution. And by the Georgian calendar, it was marked on the 8th of March, and that is why they have specially taken this opportunity to celebrate us women. Um, uh, let's start with our speakers, our guest speakers. So I would like to introduce Kadambari Kale, who's with us today, live from India. Right now she's in India. She used to be in UK in Coventry. She's done a lot of work with Sayadri. She's been a volunteer with Sayadri as well. She's a very warm-hearted, loving and a kind person. She has started her journey in UK, and she followed her dream and her pathway to become an entrepreneur. And we would like to hear the journey from you, Kadambari. Over to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Chaitrali. Good evening, everybody, and happy Women's Day to all of you. And thank you, Chaitrali, जिसने मुझे यहाँ पे introduce किया है. Thank you so much. My name is Kadambari Kale, and I am now in Pune. अब मुझे पता नहीं कितने जन जानते हैं यहाँ पे, सब लोग तो है, कोई नया है, तो मैं just अपने बारे में बता रही हूँ कि just मैंने 12th के बाद मेरा पार्लर का कोर्स किया था, जिसको मैंने पार्लर खुद का ओपन किया था, लेकिन शादी के बाद घर वालों को पसंद नहीं था, इसलिए मैंने सब बंद करके कंप्यूटर का कोर्स ज्वाइन किया था। लेकिन मुझे लगा कि अरे यार, ये पार्लर का कोर्स करके कुछ फायदा नहीं है, मुझे कुछ भी इसका बेनिफिट नहीं हो रहा है। लेकिन जब मैं यूके आई तो मैंने वहां पे देखा कि वहां पे पार्लर की कमियां है, और जैसे इंडियन मसाज करते हैं, इंडियन आईब्रोज करते हैं, वो वहां पे नहीं था। तो मैंने धीरे धीरे वहां पे प्रैक्टिस शुरू कर दी, और घर सबको होम विजिट करके मैंने फ्रेंड्स के साथ प्रैक्टिस करना शुरू कर दिया, वहां पे अपॉइंटमेंट लेने शुरू कर दिए। फिर उसके बाद मैंने प्रॉपर पार्लर ज्वाइन किया, जो सिटी सेंटर में है, वहां पे मैंने शुरू किया। लेकिन उसका मुझे नॉलेज बहुत अच्छा मिला, वहां पे मैंने मैनेजर करके जॉब किया 1 साल। फिर उसके जो बेनिफिट मुझे इतना अच्छा, उसके वजह से मैंने आज पुणे में पार्लर खुद का सैलून ओपन किया है। मेरी मेकअप एकेडमी है और बहुत अच्छे से चलती है। जो भी आप कभी पुणे आएंगे तो जरूर विजिट करना यहाँ पे। और सबने मुझे इतना अच्छा मीन्स गाइडेंस दिया है आप लोगों ने, उसके वजह से आज मैं यहाँ पे हूँ। तो सबके लिए मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहूंगी। और मैं यही बोलूंगी कि लेडीज क्या नहीं कर सकती है, अपने लेडीज में इतनी सारी शक्ति है, इतने सारे हौसले हैं, अपने में इतने गुण हैं कि कोई किचन में अच्छा बनाता है, कोई पेंटिंग अच्छा करता है, सब में एक एक अलग है। तो अपने गुण को पहचानिए, उसको आगे लाइए और उसमें कुछ ना कुछ कीजिए। बस घर में बैठना नहीं है, आपको अलग से करना है, आपकी पहचान दिखाना है, और वो आप कर सकते हो। बस यही मुझे आपको कहना है। धन्यवाद, आपने मुझे ये चांस दिया। थैंक यू सो मच चैत्राली एंड ऑल। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Kadambari. Such a lovely journey that you shared with us in such a small span. And we're really glad that you could join us from India to share and motivate other women as well. Nevertheless, you spoke in Hindi. I'm sure everybody has understood and it's reached their hearts. So we are universal here. Any language you share, it's fine. So it's a lovely journey, and thank you again for sharing it with us. Let's move on to Neha Agarwal. Neha, firstly, I would like to say belated happy birthday. If everyone knows, Neha had a birthday yesterday. I hope you had a lovely one. Neha is an entrepreneur. She runs Abacus sessions here, and I would like to hand it over to Neha to explain more and talk about her journey and how she, what motivated her and what was her journey to become an entrepreneur. So over to you, Neha. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Chetrali and Sayadri Group, for giving me this opportunity that I can talk about my journey. So yeah, my journey is start with like in 2019, but the thought I said comes 1 year before. So, as my sister-in-law running Abacus Center in India from last 20 years, and I saw the benefits of Abacus in my own family. So at that time, I want that my children should learn Abacus. So when my daughter is in nursery, I'm going to found some Abacus classes. But unfortunately, there is no Abacus class in the Coventry. So I just think why it is not in the Coventry, because this is the most beneficial thing for the children. So at that time, I decided to start the abacus classes as my career. As so, then I looking for the classes, and I found there is a Brain Up Abacus, which is in Milton Keynes, which gives us the franchisee. So I then we visit them several times, and then we found, yeah, that business is very scalable. And yes, with initial investment, and as an entrepreneur, you have to take some risk. So yes, I take some risk, and with the initial investment, we started it. So before go ahead, we need to do some, as I mentioned that in this country, if you want to start some business, there are some legal regulation you have to follow. Like I am going to work with the children. So for me, I need to do DBS check. I'm a pediatric first aider, and I do some courses related to the children. So I did that courses, and on 2019 September, that's our first open day. So yeah, as usual, the things are not as same as we planned. So with some hiccups, we started our journey. It is very bumpy in starting, but yeah, we started. We doing well, and in 1 year we reached at a certain level. But again, it's a pandemic, so yeah, it affects the business so badly. But still, then we start online classes, and we still survive. So yeah, it goes like that. The things are not as you think, but if you work hard, it's going. So for the people who don't know abacus, I just want to say something about abacus. Abacus is an ancient technique which is came from China, and it is more than 500-year old. And in this techniques, the kids learn in very initial stage, and this will remain with them for forever. I also want to share one interesting thing which one of my student mother told me, that one of my Chinese student mother told me that in China, in the early stage, there is one ceremony, like when the child is 3 years or something, they have to share, they give some things to child, as like in the life you have to going well. So the one thing from the four things, there's one thing is abacus. So yeah, it is very interesting that so how beneficial it is and how benefits it to the children. If you know more about the abacus, you can visit our website and email me or contact me in any sense. And in the end, I just want to say something, that I just want to say, like, sometimes thing is not work as you think, and you think you become sad, you think like what people saying, what people think. So just I want to keep working hard, sit tight. If you choose something, work on that. And that's it. As an entrepreneur, this is my motivation, that go like that. So yeah, so this is my 3 years journey, which I told you. And once again, thanks to everyone to give me this opportunity. Yeah, that's it from my side.
How brilliant and what wonderful words, I must say, that you have asked women to follow and to follow the path. And thank you for sharing your journey. I'm sure everybody is being motivated, And if there are any questions, y'all can type in the comments, and we will pick it up. And then you can ask any of our speakers or any of our entrepreneurs. Let's move on to Jaswant Gill Kaur. Jaswant is a beauty therapist. She is very well in microblading, henna, brows, and eyebrow lamination expert. Jaswant is here with us to share her story, and I would like Jaswant to take over now. Thank you.
You are on mute, Jaswant.
One second. Yeah. Does it help?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Hello, everyone. I'm Jaswant, and first of all, I would love to say a big thanks to Chaitrali, कि जिनकी वजह से आज मुझे आप सभी के रूबरू होने का मौका मिला है, और आज मुझे अपनी जो प्रोफेशनल जर्नी है, जो मेरे प्रोफेशनल सफर रहा है, उसको आप सभी लोगों के साथ शेयर करने का मौका मिला है। एक्चुअली ये सफर जो शुरू हुआ था, ये इंडिया से शुरू हुआ है, बिकॉज आई बिलोंग टू इंडिया, और मैं वहीं के कुरुक्षेत्र शहर के एक छोटे लेकिन बहुत ही खूबसूरत गांव को बिलोंग करती हूँ। कुरुक्षेत्र शायद आपने भी सुना होगा, ये वही जगह है जहाँ पर महाभारत लड़ा गया और श्री कृष्ण ने अर्जुन को गीता का उपदेश भी वहीं दिया था। जहाँ तक मेरी एजुकेशन का सवाल है, तो मैं आई वेंट टू कुरुक्षेत्र यूनिवर्सिटी और मैंने मास्टर्स किया पॉलिटिकल साइंस में और पंजाबी में। लेक्चरर बनने की इच्छा थी, लेकिन समय का जो बहाव था वो मुझे शायद ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री की तरफ ले जाना चाहता था, और इसीलिए मैं ब्यूटी लाइन में मैंने डिप्लोमा लिया, और फिर 2007 में यहाँ आई। तो यहाँ पर आकर के जब काम के बारे में सोचा तो कुछ और करने को मन नहीं किया, इसी लाइन में आगे बढ़ना चाहती थी। लेकिन जैसे कि नया देश था, नए लोग थे, नया माहौल था, तो डर बहुत था मन में, और कॉन्फिडेंस तो बिल्कुल जीरो था कि मैं कुछ कर पाऊंगी। लेकिन फिर क्या हुआ कि एक दिन फुल सेल गई, वहाँ एक दो ब्यूटी सैलून्स में गई, सिर्फ ये देखने के लिए कि काम कैसा है, कैसा वो लोग करते हैं। तो सच जानिए, उस दिन मेरे में, मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी कि 100% कॉन्फिडेंस आया, मैं कहूंगी कि 101% कॉन्फिडेंस थी मैं उस दिन कि यस आई कैन डू इट एंड आई कैन डू इट इन अ बेटर वे। तो वही जो कॉन्फिडेंस उस दिन मुझे मिला, उसकी वजह से मैंने ये काम घर से ही स्टार्ट किया, ब्यूटी का रजिस्टर्ड करवाया और घर से ही काम करना शुरू किया। बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला मुझे क्लाइंट्स का। शुरुआत में तो ऑब्वियसली स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है, लेकिन उसके बाद मुझे अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला, और फिर इसी सफर में आगे बढ़ते हुए मुझे अमेरिका जाने का मौका मिला 2018 में। वहां से मैंने माइक्रोब्लेडिंग का कोर्स किया। हार्ड था वो भी मेरे लिए, नॉट इजी, क्योंकि टू बी ऑनेस्ट मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी नहीं है, इसीलिए मैं अब भी हिंदी में ही बोल रही हूँ। बहुत मुश्किल हुई, बट मैंने गिव अप नहीं किया, और मैं उस ट्रेनिंग से इतनी सेटिस्फाई नहीं थी। मुझे होता है कि जब कुछ काम करना है तो उसको अच्छे से करो, तो इसीलिए मैंने दोबारा से ऑक्सफोर्ड में गई और वहां से मैंने माइक्रोब्लेडिंग की ट्रेनिंग ली, और अब मैं सक्सेसफुली ये काम कर रही हूँ पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ। और इसी सफर में आगे बढ़ते हुए मैंने लास्ट ईयर हैना ब्रोस और हैना लेमिनेशन का कोर्स किया। और यहाँ मैं एक बात जरूर बताना चाहूंगी कि 11th ऑफ फेब को मेरी ट्रेनिंग थी, बुक की हुई थी, और 10th ऑफ फेब को मैं अपनी बच्ची को स्कूल ड्रॉप करने के लिए गई। जैसे गाड़ी से बाहर निकली तो मेरी बैग इतनी बुरी तरह से लॉक हुई कि मैं एक कदम भी नहीं बढ़ा पा रही थी। आई वॉज इन पेन, आई वेंट टू हॉस्पिटल। उन लोगों ने कहा कि वो लोग मुझे रखेंगे, बट मैंने कहा कि नहीं, मुझे मेरी ट्रेनिंग ज्यादा जरूरी है। तो मैं उस रात वापस आई और दर्द में होने के बावजूद भी मुझे मेरे हस्बैंड ने वहां छोड़ा ट्रेनिंग सेंटर में, तो मैंने वो अपनी ट्रेनिंग कंप्लीट की। तो मैं यहाँ ये चीज कहना चाहती हूँ कि यहाँ मुझे किसी के कहे हुए वर्ड याद आते हैं कि डर मुझे भी लगा था फासला देखकर, डर मुझे भी लगा था फासला देखकर, पर मैं बढ़ता ही गया रास्ता देखकर, खुद ब खुद मेरे नजदीक आती चली गई, मेरी मंजिल मेरा हौसला देखकर। तो मेरी मेरे कहने का ये है कि अगर हमारे मन में कुछ जुनून है तो हम लोग उसे पा सकते हैं। और ये भी कहते हैं कि जैसे जैसे उम्र बढ़ती जा रही है वैसे वैसे जो मेरे सीखने का जुनून है ये भी दिन ब दिन बढ़ता ही चला जा रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों। लेकिन कहा जाता है कि सीखने की कोई उम्र नहीं है। इस बात से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि तुम्हारी उम्र क्या है, लेकिन हाँ इस बात से फर्क जरूर पड़ता है कि तुम्हारी जो सोच है वो किस उम्र की है। अगर तुम 50 की उम्र में एक 25 साल के नौजवान की तरह सोचते हो तो तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो। उम्र तुम्हारी रास्ते में अड़चन नहीं बनती है। और इसी सफर को मैं आगे भी जारी रखूंगी। मैं सिर्फ इंतजार कर रही हूँ कि ये लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा तो मैं अभी, आप सब जानती हैं कि जो ये हेयर रिमूवल लेजर ट्रीटमेंट होता है तो मैं उसके लिए अब कूदने वाली हूँ मैदान में। मुझे पता है कि इट्स नॉट गोना बी इजी फॉर मी, सिर्फ लैंग्वेज की वजह से, लेकिन आई एम नॉट गोना गिव अप और मैं फुली कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ कि मैं सक्सेस जरूर होंगी। और लास्ट में आप लोगों का ज्यादा वक्त ना लेते हुए मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहती हूँ कि जिसको भी जो भी उनका उद्देश्य है, मकसद है, जो भी मंजिल है, अगर उन्हें लगता है कि वो बहुत खूबसूरत है तो फिर उस रास्ते की अड़चनों की परवाह मत करो, तकलीफों की परवाह मत करो, जो रास्ता तुम्हें वहां तक लेकर जाने वाला है। ट्रस्ट मी कि उन मुसीबतों के बावजूद, उन अड़चनों के बावजूद, उन कांटों के बावजूद भी वो जो रास्ता है एक ना एक दिन तुम्हें उस मंजिल तक जरूर लेकर जाएगा। सो नेवर गिव अप। हर रोज जब सुबह उठते हो तो खुद को बोलो यस आई कैन डू इट, और ट्रस्ट मी यू विल बी एबल टू अचीव योर गोल्स। बस इतना ही कहूंगी, यही मेरा सफर था। और अगर किसी को किसी भी तरह का कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो मेरा नंबर है साहिद्री ग्रुप में, तो फील फ्री टू कॉल मी। आई वुड लव टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
पहले तो मैं आपको वाह वाह देना चाहूंगी क्योंकि जिस खूबसूरती से आपने हम सबको सराहा है और हम सबको एक राह दिखाई है, दैट इज रियली कमेंडेबल। And you are between us to share the story is such a lovely feeling. And जितनी आप खूबसूरत हो उतने ही आपके शब्द खूबसूरत थे and motivational थे। और इतनी सारी जो हमारी महिला है वो हमेशा सोचती ही रहती है कि मैं कैसे करूं, बट आई थिंक आज आपकी बात सुनने के बाद मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कोई भी अभी उनके कदम रोक पाएंगी। वो जरूर ही एक एक कदम आगे लेके अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करना चाहेंगी। Thank you so much, Jaswant, for sharing all your thoughts and all your positivity with all our women and keeping them so motivational. Thank you so much. Moving on to Aditi Biniwale. So Aditi Biniwale is one of our...
Chetrali, you're on mute.
I'm sorry. I'm just going to start again. Just bear with me. So, sorry, I need to, sorry about the technical glitches.
Should I play her
Yeah.
video?
So let me introduce Aditi Biniwale first. So Aditi Biniwale is one of our guest speakers today again, and she is an entrepreneur. She has a distributorship called AVS Distributors. She distributes a lot of Asian, or let me say Indian food, of big brands from India like Sohamata, Bedekar, and others. So unfortunately, Aditi couldn't make it today because of some family commitments. She's apologized to everybody, but she has also requested to play her video. So Sonam, could you play her video, please? Thank
Yes,
you.
I'll do that.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Kulkarni. I am a distributor of Indian products here in the West Midlands, UK. Some of you in Coventry know me already as I do regular monthly deliveries to Coventry and surrounding areas. The name of my company is AVS Distributors and we are registered with HMRC. We sell many Indian food brands such as Chitale, Soham, Karachi, Telugu Foods, Jackson, Sheda, which are from various parts and states of India. So, about how I started on this journey. I actually work as a lecturer of mathematics here at a college in Solihull and started doing this business side by side. When I was approached for this distributorship, I was a bit hesitant because I had no experience of working in this area. But my husband and I thought that this would be a great opportunity to bring the best quality products from different regions and states of India and introduce them to the growing market here in UK. We thought that the people would like the products that come directly from India to their house. The journey so far has been incredible. Initially, we started selling the products to our friends and acquaintances in the Birmingham area. Slowly, as the word spread, we started supplying to different cities in West Midlands, such as Coventry, Leamington Spa, and Walsall. Then we approached the shops, and that's where our challenges came in because the shopkeepers were a bit hesitant to keep our products as these were not the well-known brands here in UK. But slowly, we gained the trust of the shopkeepers and convinced them to sell our products. And now we supply to various cities in West Midlands, and some of our customers have helped us in this too. We continuously add new brands and products to our selling list, and we assure the best quality for all our products. We offer a range of products including flours, savories, pickles, banana chips, crisps, roasted chana, roasted peanuts, chutneys, syrups, mango pulps. The list is ever growing. We got actually 60 to 80 products on our selling list now. Our aim is to reach to every household here in the West Midlands area. The love and support from our customers has been tremendous and ever growing. I remember when we started our business that year, Sahyadri offered us an opportunity to sell our products in their Ganpati festival. And I can't thank you enough for that because that kind of support is really very important when you are trying to establish your business. And we were incredibly fortunate to get that. If you're interested in our products, please do contact me. I am in the Sahyadri group. Thank you for listening and best wishes to Sahyadri group. Thanks. Bye.
That was lovely, isn't it? And if any of us didn't know about Aditi, we all do now. Before I hand it over to Sonam, I want all of our viewers to play a small game with us. Our guest speakers and our entrepreneurs can also type in their answers in the comment box. It's just a fun play. So ready? I'm going to ask you all I'm going to ask you all some of the taglines, and you need to answer what tagline is for what brand. And because today we are talking about all our entrepreneurs, how marketing and taglines work effectively when you have to do your business. And that is what we learn from the big brands. Um, let me see if you all can guess some. So the first one is finger licking good. Please type in your answers in the comment box. The second one is open happiness. The third one is eat fresh. The fourth one is the happiest place on earth. And the fifth one is gives you wings. And the last one, colors of India. So I look forward to all your answers in the comment box. And over to you, Sonam. Thank you for listening to me.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you to our guest speakers. Now, we'll move on to the next part of today's event, that is our very own women entrepreneurs who will be telling us about what they have achieved or how they have started their business and their life stories. So to begin with, whenever we think of any occasion, birthdays and anniversaries, the first thing which comes to our mind is a cake. So every occasion is absolutely incomplete without an irresistible cake. And our first entrepreneur makes just that. She bakes the whole world a sweeter place. So moving on to Anusha.
Hi everyone, good evening. And it's a Women's Day, so happy Women's Day to everyone. I would like to thank you, Chaitrali and Sahyadri team, for giving me this opportunity. So firstly, like I'm a self-taught home baker, and I'm a certified as a level 2 food and hygiene as well. So normally I do work as a HR administrator. I was working as a HR administrator here, but due to this pandemic, I just give up my job because of my household things. I need to take care of my child and everything. So when I was I didn't do anything much. So after I left my job, so I was very lonely at home. So I thought of do something. So I thought of, okay, let's start a baking is my hobby. So why don't we start it's a business. Like I'm not a registered I'm not registered into baking, but why don't we just start up a small business to bake, like for my friends and everyone, because Sahyadri, I would really thank to Sahyadri for such a lovely support in all the way. So I got so many contacts through Sahyadri. So I actually, most of you people know me. So whenever you ask looking for the cake, I just got a call. Mainly, if I'm not busy, then Sahyadri, you people go for something else or thought like that. And I do bake all type of cakes, like cakes and cupcakes, either eggless or egg cakes, and some atta cakes, or vegan keto diet as well. And I use not any. I don't use any store-bought fillings in that. I do all at home because it's the store-bought. Normally, that's my special. Like all other bakers are using only the store-bought ones. So, but I use everything in homemade. And yeah, you can. I'm in Sahyadri. You can contact me anytime. I can do all your. I'm specialized in theme cakes. I do bake theme cakes, or pizza doughs, or pastries, cookies, anything. Yeah, you just can come and contact me, or if you want any questions, please ask me. I'll find that. And yeah, that's it. And I'm so glad that I'm just speaking here and promoting myself. This is the first time I'm just promoting here. I never do so, but and thank you again, Chaitrali and Sahyadri team, for giving me this opportunity. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Anusha. And just from personal experience, I have tasted, and she does bake amazing cakes. So that was Anusha. Moving on, it's rightly said, you don't just be good to others, but be good to yourself and your skin too. And our next entrepreneur will help you just with that. So it's over to you, Lakshmi.
Hello, everyone. Firstly, happy Women's Day to you all. And thank you, the Sahyadri team, for giving me this opportunity to share about what do I do. So my name is Lakshmi Chaitanya, and I live in Nuneaton, not too far away from Coventry. And I'm a homemaker currently, so with 2 kids at home. So I was thinking, what can I do from home? Like, maybe from my home, managing the kids, and also, having little money for ourselves too, and also, building up a brand or whatever it is. So I have a group on FB, and my business name is Health and Beauty with Lakshmi. So that's my Facebook group, and I am a Body Shop at Home consultant. I used Body Shop since very long, like since 2013, 2014, and it's a very trustable brand. So I'm not promoting about Body Shop, but it's really good for your skin, everything. And I'm a person who feels like, it should be, everything should go naturally, not much into cosmetics and everything. So Body Shop is one such thing which is like, you feel it's close to nature. When you apply any cream or anything from Body Shop, you don't feel you are applying some cosmetics, but it is very close to nature, and you'll get that natural fragrance and everything. So I had contacted many people. I have many customers through Sahyadri Dream and other Coventry groups as well. So the very regularly used things I want to show you all. That's like, the ginger shampoo. This is like very, very regularly used by, maybe men, women, everyone. And it really helps for as an anti-dandruff shampoo, and also helps reducing the hair fall and everything. And also, I know people think like it's a bit expensive when compared to, moisturizers or whatever we get in Asda, Disco, whatever. But, you can trust me if you want to try body butters. Like, there are body butters from Body Shop. They look something like this. So these ones, they're like moisture your body for almost 72 hours. And they give very nice, pampering feeling to your skin. So if you just apply them in the night, like before the sleep, you don't need to apply any moisturizer next day morning. So it leaves your skin very smooth and shiny, and they're like very close to nature. And also the scrubs. So I'm showing the products which we can use in everyday life. Not cosmetics or makeup products, but I'm showing you the products which we can just use in our everyday routine. So they are shampoos, body butters, scrubs, body scrubs. And also, I know many of us, with the stretch marks after the delivery. So even I had like 2 normal deliveries, but I do suffer with the stretch marks. So I tried a cream from Body Shop, which is like Ethiopian coffee cream. And this is a firming cream. So I've tried many products. I've been using Body Shop since 2013, 2014. Even before I became a consultant too, I was using Body Shop. So I can definitely recommend that. And if you got any questions about the Body Shop products and you want good discounts on it compared to in-store or online, you can always contact me. I have an FB group as well. I keep sharing of this on the Sahyadri group. You can go through that. You can join the group. Contact me anytime. And I'm also like sharing some tips about the health. I like maintaining the healthy lifestyle and, fitness and everything. So your body should be in your control of, what you eat, what you do to maintain it, apart from what you apply on it. So that's my concept as well. So if you have any questions, please contact me. I'll be very happy to help you, not only with the Body Shop, but any other things to maybe, you want to go for a weight loss. I'm not any trained weight loss or anything, but I like maintaining a healthy lifestyle with our just the routine what we are doing. So please contact me if you have any questions. Thanks a lot to Sahyadri and team for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you so much. Moving on, we all work hard the whole day, and yes, we deserve a healing, relaxing, stress-relieving massage. And if you need one, you can contact our next entrepreneur, Kanchan. Moving on to you, Kanchan.
Hi, good evening, everybody. And thank you, Chaitrali, Sonamji, and Sahyadri team for giving me an opportunity to speak with you. So I am an Ayurvedic doctor, and I have 12 years of experience in this field in India. And I have been here in Coventry in between 2011 and 14. And in that period, I have worked with Kerala Ayurveda Center in Coventry. And when we came back in 2018, back to Coventry, so I was looking for some opportunities in my field, and I was searching like what should I do in this field. So I got some motivation from Kadambari, and under her guidance, I started taking massage appointments for women. And I think it's like nowadays, like women, they are more stressful. They don't give attention to their self because of their busy schedules or family commitments, or they don't want to go to like a massage center, book an appointment in their like particular time. So I think doing the home visits will be the best options. So it's helpful for me as well as the customers. So I provide different types of massage, like full body relaxation massage, then deep tissue massage, then head massage, back and neck massage, lower back massage, leg and feet massage. Then I provide massages for chronic illness like joint pains, arthritis, muscle stiffness, and paralysis patient. Then I provide the massage for post delivery. So the patients which are mainly like bedridden, or they can't go out to the massage center, they find it very helpful to having a massage therapist at their home. And I do it with medicated oil based on my experience and on the like condition of the disease. And my experience is very good with the newly moms, which find it very convenient at their home, because looking after baby, and I took the appointment on their available time when the baby is sitting, and they find it very comfortable, and it give me more confidence like that. Yes, I can let ladies are very like comfortable doing at their when it comes to the body massage, they feel comfortable at their home. And then I now, since 1 year, it's almost like I'm not taken in appointments. I'm looking forward to lockdown is finished, and then I will start it again. But as like there are so many benefits of massage, like it gives us relief from stiffness, and gives mobility to our bones and joints, then gives relief of fresh stop the release of stress hormones and enhance our mood. Then it gives us a good muscle tone and skin tone. And also if we are giving the head massage, it gives the relief from tension, headache, and stress related headache. It's good for like your hair related problem, as we do it with the herbal based oil. So it gives you a good relief from scalp and hair related problem. And the same with like neck and body back massage. It gives relaxation, and it reduces the inflammation related to soft tissue injuries. and related to lifestyle, because like long sitting hours or sitting in front of computer. So neck massage gives relief to our upper neck related diseases as well. And leg and feet massage. So in our feet, like there are so many concentration points. So if we did massage on that concentration points, all the elements from your body is reduced. So if you have any questions related to that, please contact me. I am there on the Sahyadri group, and I will just like to. Sorry, just a minute. So please feel to contact with me. I'm there on the Sahyadri group. And thank you once again, Chaitanya, Sonamji, and Sahyadri family. Thank you, and happy Women's Day to all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I am sure many of us will be looking for when the sooner the better we can book an appointment with you.
Thank you.
Moving on, I am a big foodie. The only thing I like more than talking about food is eating it. So I'm sure many of you can relate the same. I believe in making memories and not count the calories, as you can see. And as we know, our next entrepreneur, she does create lips packing food. So moving on to Manisha.
Hi, everyone. I'm not very good at speaking, but I'm trying today. Like I said, thank you, Chaitrali and Sonam, for giving this opportunity. First of all, that's important. I came to UK in '94. I was 18 when I came here. Finished my 12th, got married, came over. So my big thing was language, because I studied in Marathi language. I couldn't speak. But I've done all kinds of jobs. My journey was tough, but it was exciting. I worked as a sales assistant, worked as a care worker, bakery, done all that. Always had passion for food though. But then I've done some training and I got a job in hospital as a support worker. I worked as a support worker for 14 years. I've only done night shift because my kids were young. But then again, it wasn't enough for me. 2011, my husband had an opportunity to go to India for a few years. So we took that and we went over. When I came back 2018, I thought, no, I don't want to do what I was doing. I want to do what I want to do. I think they say life begins at 40, so might as well start. It's a new beginning. When I came, I started tiffin service with 2 people. I didn't advertise. It was very small business with all the rules and regulations, but I only had 2 tiffins for 3 months. Word just went round, and by the time my 4th month finished, I was delivering 40 tiffins a day. It was hard work, working on my own. I didn't have any help. I was rolling about 150 chapatis a day, but like something I wanted to do. And unfortunately, my health took a turn. I had angioplasty. I had to slow down. But then in October, I had another opportunity knocking on my door. Cotswold Club, their kitchen, they wanted somebody to run their kitchen. And I thought, that's it now. I want to take a step forward, and I went ahead. So I opened my kitchen. It was wrong time, maybe with the pandemic, all the business are affected. Obviously, I'm one of them as well. But in Coventry, with our all Marathi community, I got very good response for my food. My patwadi rasa, mutton rasa, all these things got famous. And I think people encourage me so much, and I just want to do more and more. So my kitchen basically serves, my base customer is more golfers. They're 70 plus customers, so they don't want curries. So obviously I serve breakfast in the morning. I do burger, chips, because they're footballers coming in. But in the evening is our typical authentic food, and I cook food for your taste, what you want, spicy, non-spicy, whatever you want. And my aim is to provide home cooked food in restaurant where you can come. The club has 2 big function halls, So when all this pandemic is over, you can come, you can book your parties there, and I'll take care of your catering. Like I said, I didn't know what to say. I was a bit scared. And I think we do well, but I think we forget that support behind us is very important. I have very supportive family who supports me each and every way, and that's what I could do what I want to do. And like I said, I'm taking step towards my dream, and I want to achieve it. So spread your wings and whole sky is yours. And thank you very much, Sahyadri, for giving me an opportunity to talk today. So please visit my kitchen when the pandemic is over. Let me serve you my food, what I do, what I cook, and this is what I love. Thank you very much.
Thank you. That was a very, very amazing attitude. The words which caught me, that my journey was tough but exciting. Yeah, and we'll surely come to taste your food very soon.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Moving on. Okay, how many Mondays have gone with you thinking, oh, next week I'll definitely do something about my fitness? I do that every Monday. Tomorrow is the day. So. But our next entrepreneur is here to guide you all about Zumba fitness. Moving on to Priya.
Yeah, hi everyone. Thank you, Sonam. Thank you, Chaitrali, for giving me this platform. This is very first time I'm promoting this for myself. I'm promoting something. So my name is Priya Gaurshete, and I'm a certified Zumba instructor. So all this journey started from actually this lockdown. So thanks to this lockdown, that all kids were at home, and some of my friends, they came to me and they asked for some kids dance learning, and then I got that idea to start something for kids. So I started the online dance session for kids with one of my friends. And then some of my friends, they came up with an idea to start something for us too. Like, we are sitting at home and we need something for fitness, so you start something, some dance kind of thing for us. So from there I got this idea that because I'm a dance is my passion, dance, I love dancing. So I thought, why not to choose it as a career. So I thought about it to do something like certification or something and go through to that way. So now I am a certified Zumba instructor. I'm conducting online classes for ladies. And today I want to give a little information about Zumba, that what exactly Zumba is, what we do at my class. So Zumba is a Latin and some international inspired dance fitness program. So we don't call it as a workout sessions. We just say Zumba dance party. So nobody is there who will not enjoy the dance party. If we say it's a routine or it's a workout, we are going to get bored in some days. But if someone calls you for a dance party, you will never get bored. That is the one thing. So every day you will get something new here. And it is a whole program is like, if you want to lose your weight, if you want to relieve your stress, it is helpful. If you want to tone your muscles, that you think your weight is okay, but you just want to be healthy, it is a good way for you to be in that activity. So what I suggest is Zumba is not for any age group, or whether I like dance or I don't like dance, I can't dance. So all these are not related. You just come, you just follow the steps, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. So moving to my next point is yes. My batches. So I right now, if you're in UK, I have 3 batches available for you: Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. So Wednesday it is 5:30 p.m. and Saturday, Sunday it is morning batch 9:30 to 10:30. For charges, I will just share this thing that it is affordable. It is less than whatever you will get outside. So yes, it is affordable. And if really this workout, Zumba is actually a combination of dance and cardio plus some exercise movements. So just come, and if you want to burn your calories, surely join me. You will definitely get what you want. You will achieve it. And yes, if you have any more questions for me, you can ask me in Sahyadri group, or you can ping me on Facebook Messenger also. Yes, that's from my side. Thanks once again, Team Sahyadri, and happy Women's Day to all of you.
Thank you so much, Priya. At least we know now what we have to do to get to fitness.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on to a different topic now. How much ever we deny, there are more cases of abuse surrounding us than we can imagine. Our next entrepreneur will just shed a little bit light on that. Moving on to Manjeet.
Hello, first of all, thank you very much, Chaitrali, Sonam, and your whole Sahyadri team. It's really wonderful idea you brought in this Women's Day. I have seen and I have got invites from lots of groups for Women's Day. Same things we are doing, same things, but that is completely out of unique one, I would say. It's really nice, and thank you for giving me that opportunity. Lots of you know me. I work with agency. We do support victims of rape and sexual abuse. This is not about today about that my organization, because this is my personal, because I am qualified, accredited counselor, psychologist, and I work under ethics with British Psychology Society and Health Professionals Council. I'm registered with them. So I have started my private counseling practice. So what I have seen our community, we deny things, even though we have stress, we have mental health problems. We do not talk about, let alone rape or sexual abuse. We don't talk about, but we don't talk about mental health, our mental health. We do not say we think we might be called as we are crazy people, and people do think you are crazy, you are mad, that kind of judgments we do give to people. So one more thing I do with counseling, with break down the barriers of mental abuse, mental health. Mental health is as important as physical health. We do go physically when we have any cold and cough, anything, we go to GP. How many of us go to GP, say, I have stress, I have anxiety, can you guide me somewhere? We do not go. We don't go and say to our GP, and we all know this is kind of free, and I am eligible to have counseling free from NHS. You all know that. But how many of us we do take advantage of? We never do. So, but I do my private, but I have only 6 clients at the moment because I do work as well, part-time work. So it will be my 2 days, Mondays and Fridays. I have different languages, and like people have seen me, they might feel, oh, look, I know her. If I will go to her, she might disclose to someone. But I work under the ethics of British Psychology Society. By ethics, by law, I cannot disclose any of things to anyone. That's kind of confidential service. And I provide safe and non-judgmental space. I do online counseling now, but when we will go back to, I don't know when we will, but we are looking forward to it soon. Yeah, so then I will do in psychological center. There's a near train stations. I will let you know afterwards. So I will do counseling face-to-face, but I have online now. But I really would like to say this year's International Women's Day theme is every year we have theme. choose to challenge. Please do challenge one thing. I am going to look after my mental health, or any challenge. I have challenge this year, like people do have the challenge, for this year. I have challenge, stop victim blaming. Even I have mental health, people will blame me. She is the one, she doesn't, why she can't cope, why she doesn't have, why she doesn't get on, why she can't do this thing. So we do judgmental. So please do have one challenge in this Women's Day, and next Women's Day when we will meet, we will all be empowered, we will all be entrepreneur, and we will all look forward to Chaitrali's and Sahyadri team's new ideas of how they will take us, where they will take us. Yeah, so that's me. You can call me. I am on Sahyadri group. You can ring me. Some people have my email. So anytime, and my rates are affordable. I do lots of voluntary work as well, so I won't mind. People can't afford, sometimes I do. So in a way, I know this group, so don't worry about money, or don't worry about the rates. Yes, so you will be in safe hands. Thank you once again, Chaitrali and all your team. Well done to you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Manjeet, for letting us to know about such a sensitive topic. Okay, Kranti, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So moving on, a photograph is considered as a return ticket to a moment that has gone. Kranti, our next entrepreneur, will help us to make memories with her photographic captures. Moving on to you, Kranti.
Okay. Hello, everybody. Is my voice audible to you? Hello? Hello?
We can hear you.
Oh, okay. Hi, I'm Kranti. I'm really new here. I'm trying to be a photographer. I'm not yet a professional, but still, I recently got a camera, which is of almost 2,000 pounds. I'm yet to buy lights, the other gears, but I'm here for Sahyadri. Whenever there is an event, I would like to do a free shoot for all of us. Not as a part of promotion, but as a gesture to allow me to share my photography page with everybody, because it is such a big platform for all the Coventry people here. It almost has around 500 people there. So I'm not sure I can get the best picture to you all, but I'm here for any Sahyadri meet. I don't know if is my camera and my voice audible, please, because I'm getting the revoice.
Yes, Kranti, it's completely fine for us.
Yeah. So thank you, Chaitrali, and thank you, Sonam, and thank you, Chandraka, and thanks to Anusha for joining here. That's all I have to say. Please, sorry, don't mind. Hello.
Thank you so much, Kranti, for your service. Okay, is Sonal there?
Can we move on to someone else, please?
Okay, so I will go on to say something about my work then. Till we have Sonal. I think we have done with almost all our other entrepreneurs. Okay, I have a lot to talk, and I will stick to the 5-minute timeline, hopefully. Okay, so hello everyone, myself Sonam Jaju. I am a pen and paper artist, and I make customized gifts and greetings for all occasions. I specialize in paper quilling, paper flowers, mandalas, but also have a variety of handmade ideas. Now, how did I jump into this? I'll just share with you some of my work as I talk. So I always used to love making these crafts, and I always used to make them, especially just for family and friends, but never thought of taking it to a commercial level. But it was my sister who insisted that I create an FB page or an Insta page and show my work, share my work with people. But being who I am, I was very not very active on social media, and I was very, very hesitant to start an FB page. I was like, why would people look at my work, and so on. So this was my work, which inspired me when I got appreciation for it. That is when I thought, okay, maybe people will like my work. And still, it was far away from putting a FB page. But as I said, on my my sister's constant pressure, no, you have to do it. I finally plunged in, and that is how my craft page, the craft art, was born. You can see all my work on my FB and Insta page. And if there is something on your mind which you cannot see on the page, feel free to discuss it with me, and I will see how to put it in a box for you. This was the one part of my small step in this entrepreneur world. Moving on, I just want to say a few things of how Sahyadri has helped me achieve many more such things in this journey. So when lockdown started, Chaitrali had offered me to take online dance sessions for our community, knowing that I love to dance, and I was thrilled by it. But I never realized that this small activity, like, it will instill in me the confidence to take online sessions and classes for kids as well as adults. I started them, though on a very, very small scale. It gives me an immense joy, so that it has like, I get to dance every day now. I can learn new steps on my own. I can teach people. And yes, that's another feather in my hat. It's not over yet. Sorry for the long speech. This was all about my passion, which I used to love, the love for arts and craft and dance. But somewhere I always longed that to get back into my engineering educational background, to do something like that. Just before the lockdown, I have enrolled in an Inspire to Achieve career development program, again organized by Sahyadri. Before joining it, I had lots of self-doubt as to what I will achieve doing this kind of program. What will I learn more, which I don't already know, but I still enrolled for it. And I had, after enrolling too, I had many excuses that I used to search for excuses. Okay, fine, this will not work out. That's why I'll not attend these sessions. But to my luck, my husband had a solution for all my excuse. And there I was attending these wonderful sessions. And today I can say it was one of the best decisions I had made. Immediately after the program, we were offered a website development. And though it was not exactly what I had in mind, I took the opportunity. Initially, it was a mixed bag. And again, the thoughts started pouring in that, like, did I take a right decision, or was it not for me? But then I soon realized, if I have to do something, nothing will be served to me on a platter, and I will have to work for it. And then to achieve it, I started doing online courses or small things whenever required. When the website was actually launched, it was a group of us who were working, and I was very, very proud of myself and the team that, oh, wow, there is something I have achieved, which we did not think of when we started the program. And soon after that, I thought, this is something I can do in future, something which is which interests me. And a friend and I, we started exploring more about it, more options which we can look into it. And we started developing sample sites for bracing our skills, understanding the market, how things work, and worked on tried attending various programs and just to see if we could grab any more projects. And now we are at a very different stage to where we started before starting that program, and now confident enough to build websites for any services. Was it a struggle? Yes, it was. But was it worth it? Totally. So if you or your friends are looking to build a website, do get in touch. We do provide complete solutions from hosting to launching with multiple revisions, and hoping to make a career out of it. This is just a stepping stone. We are at the bottom now and trying to achieve the top as soon as possible. Also, we have created a survey with few basic questions regarding the website development, which will help us to understand the mentality of the users a little bit more. I will share it after the session. Please fill it if possible. It will help us a lot, and will take just a minute of your time. Thank you. Sorry for the long speech, but thank you. Thank you so much for listening.
That was lovely, spectacular. And I think, oh, there we are, never too late. Sonal has joined in. So there were some technical glitches, and as I said, I'm not a tech savvy, so I couldn't, I struggled helping Sonal, but never too late. Yay, she's with us. So over to you, Sonam, again, to introduce Sonal. Sonal Jain.
Yes. So nourishing yourself is attainable, and you are worth it. So our next entrepreneur, she will give you a demo of just that and how to keep yourself, your skin healthy and beautiful at the same time. Moving on to Sonal. Sonal, you're on mute.
Hello everyone, myself Sonal, and thank you so much Chaitrali and Sahyadri Group for giving me this opportunity to promoting my business. Thank you so much. I'm Sonal, living in Coventry with family, with 2 kids. I'm a body shop consultant along with my part-time job. I will say I started my journey as a body shop as a consultant last year in August 2020 when pandemic started. So I will say initially I just joined body shop to buy my own product to save some money because I just love body soap products and I'm using these products from long time. And soon I can change. It means I can see the change in my skin and everything. So I thought, why not? Then my why for this business just changed, and now it's 7 months. I'm thoroughly enjoying this business, this journey with body soap at home. Not only does it help me in generate an extra income with very minimum effort, it also helping me in learning new skills every day, like business development, social media, and building relationship with customer. And it has given me tremendous, boost to my overall confidence. I say body soap is not just, I will say body soap is not only selling products and making an extra income for me. I'm promoting this because it also very satisfying, because as it helps us make us a net positive contribution to the environment and allow us to give back to the community. As you know that, body soap products are 100% vegetarian, and being as a vegetarian, I can relate these things because I'm totally vegetarian and I use products mostly vegetarian and vegan friendly and cruelty friendly. And body soap products are 100% vegetarian, and most products are now going to vegan. And that's why we also call this vegan and vegetarian beauty. Some of you know, don't know, but Body Soap also support some very great supporter of women empowerment, and it also support a charity called CODE. It's a non-profit charity that supports like a very unprivileged children in different countries. And there are so many Body Soap consultant. They are giving their best to promote this charity. And even I also did last month when I because it was my birthday, so I also promote and I raise money for this charity by doing raffle and all these things like games and all these things. So just want to say that it's Body Soap is just not only it's not like I am promoting this. It's really, these are very good products, and I'm using from if you continue use these products for as a routine, night routine and day routine, you can feel the difference in your skin. And even I'm using from long time and I can feel the difference. And I just want to say, if you want to use this for product, means I do as a sample also. So if you want to try or anything, just let me know. I can send you sample and you can try. Some people, they think that they are expensive, but I think when you buy offer or anything, they are not that expensive. They are quite reasonable. So if you want to try any product, just do let me know. I will give you sample, or and I just want to want to give, sorry, it's my first, I'm doing first time as a Zoom. I never done it, so a little bit nervous. But first time I'm doing it, so bear with me. I just want to promote 2 products, and they are very good. And I'm using this product twice in a week. So this is called a liquid drop of light liquid peel, and this is very good. This exfoliate your skin if you use twice in a week. And I can just so in my skin, if you just take 1 or 2 drop, and if you rub on your skin, the dead skin is comes very quickly. Means if you just rub for some time, you can see the difference. I'll just, so can you see, means I don't know if you can see or not. You just rub it and you can see that the dead skin are coming out, the white bit. Can you see this? I don't know. And it's also help if you have if anyone have a pigmentation or anything. So if you use twice in a week, it does help. And I'm using, because I'm suffering from pigmentation, and I'm using from last 6 months, and I can feel the difference in my skin. It's very light now, and I can see that this part is very dark previously, but now I can feel the difference. And there is one more product. There are so many best products. This is Himalaya charcoal mask, and it's very good for glowing skin. If you use twice in a week, it's very good for skin. And there is this is one more product I want to demonstrate. This is chamomile cleansing butter, and this is very good for removing makeup if you're using makeup every day, and it's very easy to remove. I just want to promote one. Just give me, if you do, this is lipstick. So if you just put little bit, just take little bit of this, and if you just rub it, can you see it's all gone, and it's all clean, and it's suitable for sensitive skin, all skin types. So it's very good for all skin types, and it's quickly, you just in a 2 minutes, I will say, it will, all makeup will be, it can be removed. And I also want to show you some product. It means I just do some hamper also along with Body Soap products. So just want to show you, I just, this one, I made it. It's all good, like a shampoo, conditioner, and a hair mask. It's all Shea shea butter shampoo, shea butter conditioner, and this is like a face sheet mask, glow sheet mask for vitamin C, and this is a bath bubble. So if anybody wants to, like, Mother's Day gift hamper, I'm doing. So if anyone wants to looking for Mother's Day gift hamper, I'm doing this also. And this is like there's one more I want to. This is just a small box. They can reuse it, and I just put this inside. There's like some makeup, all body soap makeup with the chocolates. Means it can be very, if you want to change products, I can change it. Anything in your customize, I can make with the, in your budget. And this is like a with a bag. Happy Mother's Day. So I just put like, one scrub. This is British Rose scrub with the like Mother's Day diary, mom's organizer, and with personalized, candle, like with a letter, like my name is S, so I just bought, this is just with the S letter candle. And anything means I can make anything in your price range, whatever product you choose. So if you are looking for any Mother's Day gift hamper, let me know. And I have a Facebook group also, so where I promote, like, all my body soap products with special discount. I do raffle games and everything. So if you're looking for anything, just let me know. Or if you want to join my group, I can give details. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much, Sayadri, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sonal. Now, the reason we are all sitting together here is because of the Sayadri group. And the reason the Sayadri group is there is because of its founder, Chaitrali. So Chaitrali, if you could just guide us through your journey, it will be, I'm sure it will be very exciting.
I know everyone is waiting because today's session is quite long, but a fantastic one where we could know each other and everybody's journey and how they have come up till here. I'll keep it very short. My article is also going to come on how my journey has been on indiansworldwide.org. I will share my article when it is published. But to just keep it short, I would say that it's been exciting. It's been a roller coaster. It's been hard work. It's been polite. It's been kind to people. It's giving hand to all the needy and to support people or the women and to celebrate the womanhood, the familyhood, and the children and everything that gives you joy. I mean, I always preach one thing and I always follow that one thing, which I would like to say today is spread the happiness of your heart and the hearts you touch will glow in return with full of positivity. So I think that's very important. That you need to believe in what you are really looking at, and hard work is always paid off. In regards to Sayadri, I think it has been a wonderful journey. It has taught me every day because we have, every time we have different and most talented and like-minded people who are so versatile and they come with all their USBs to the group wholeheartedly to give away. We have seen so many of us who have worked hard towards the community and towards the group. One of us newly joined but has worked a lot is Sonam, and this spectacular idea was Sonam's today to give the opportunity to all the entrepreneurs to talk about their journey. And how wonderful is that? It's connecting all us women, inspiring all us women. This is how Sayadri is. It's a family away from family. It is for us, it is for people like us who want to do something for the community. I think every parent gives some or the other asset to their children, and my parents have given me this one to help the community and to bring the community together and to create the community resilience. Since I have been 3, I don't know, in India, here when I came, I have always followed this passion to help the community. I'm also a freelancer. I do a lot of cultural activities as well, creating a platform to the women and to the entrepreneurs. Being a Bharatanatyam dancer, I love dancing, and I think the one wish I would always ask is, till the end of my last breath, I keep dancing and my heart keeps singing. And thank you for listening to me. And happy Women's Day to everyone who's watching us today and who has joined us. I am so proud to see all the entrepreneurs who have joined us today, and they have shared their lovely journey. I just loved few of the I would like to mention the few of the points where I really could relate, like Manisha said, or like Manjeet said, or like Jaswant said. I mean, each of them had such beautiful things to say because they have come all this far with their dreams. And I think to follow your dream, you need those wings, and you need to create those wings for yourself. Thank you, Sonam, for giving me the opportunity, and thank you for being with Sahyadri. And it's a pleasure working with you. You are an enormous worker I have ever seen, and you always come with new ideas and new positivity, and this is what we share today. Over to you, Sonam. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today.
Thank you, Chaitrali. Thanks goes to you also to bear me and my ideas and random things which come to my minds and help me put them out. So that comes, we come to the end of today's event. Firstly, on behalf of the entire Sahyadri team, I would like to thank all our guest speakers, Kadambari, Neha, Jaswant, and Aditi, for enlightening us with their wonderful journey. It's rightly said, if you are starting your own business, the best shortcut is to find a good mentor. And I think all of you has guided us in the right path, and I'm sure many of us are inspired by your mentorship. I also thank all the participants for sharing their story with us, and all the members who are cheering us via the FB Live. Lastly, I conclude by a famous quote by Martin Luther King Jr. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. Nothing will work unless you do. That's it for today. A very, very, very happy Women's Day to all who are watching. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you, everyone.